Hello, my beautiful sacred circle. It is Priestess LaMeel, and I am here with day 13 of, what is it called? of manifesting miracles in your life. And I hope that one of the things that you're learning from this series, first, stop. If this is the first video that you're seeing, please stop, go back to day 1, start there, because these videos do build to your miracle. But I hope one of the things that you're learning from this is that it is more important for you to do it than to do it perfect. It is better to be done than to be done to perfection or to be done right. So that is the reason I do very little editing. Sometimes if I get up and walk away and stuff like that, I may edit that stuff out. But like you will see my kids and my grandkid like a few days ago, for a video a few days ago, you know, she knocked down the camera, whatever. Like I film a set of videos in a day, right? So you'll see me in the same shirt for 4 or 5 videos. I'm not wearing the same clothes every day, I promise you, but I will sit down and record this content and then release it over a few days. But for years now, my kids coming in, and because it's my life, right? And it's about me being authentic, and I want you to know that even with 8 kids, and at one time I think all of them lived in the house. One of them had a boyfriend, brought 2 dogs. I had a cat. My girlfriend was there with her kid. And you guys got to see snippets of that throughout the videos because it was just, hi, my authentic life. Do not lock her in here. Here. So, you know, that's what it is. And now you see my grandkids, right, throughout the videos. And there's some videos that you may take a course and you may hear her crying, or you may see me holding her while I'm teaching course videos. Like that, it's about being authentic. And when you are creating this new lifestyle, this new pattern of thought, this new energy in your life, you need to do it in a way that is authentic for you, right? Like I am not the girl who gets up every morning and makes a video. I am more now inclined to make a video immediately when Spirit talks to me and says, this is what they need. Oh, what did I just knock down? When Spirit says this is what is needed, I'm doing that, and you'll see that more on LaMeel Magic channel, because it's more spiritually based. It's much more spiritually based than my manifesting and high vibe lifestyle, which you find here. But nonetheless, things are done, and I do things in a way that honors me and expresses my authenticity and is about what serves me and allows you to get the best, highest quality, unfiltered message that I can give you. And so as you develop your practice, as you are wondering, should I do it this way or this way? What works for you? What is the best thing for you? What feels the best for you, right? Always and forever, that needs to be your path, right? I am just a guide. Sometimes I am a messenger, but I'm not the authority for you, because only you know what you really need in that moment. And so I'm here to teach you how to hear that, follow that, honor that, things like that. But at the end of the day, what feels best? Now, if what I'm sharing with you feels best, by all means, do that shit. You know what I'm saying? But if it doesn't, if it's like, oh, I like that idea, but I need to do it like this, like, that's how you're supposed to do it. No questions, you know, go with that. So that being said, today's video is about letting go. I do want to say that if you are interested in working with me in any capacity, following me on other platforms, all those links, all that information is down below. And, you know, I'm looking forward to connecting with you and working with you on a much, much higher, much more engaged level than I have ever done in the past, wow, 9 years or whatever that I've been on YouTube. So I really appreciate you guys' engagement and reaching out to me on other platforms and joining my programs. Like, I really, really appreciate and love you guys in ways that I could not verbally express to you, because a lot of you call me or email or you know, send messages, and it's like, I was looking for something and you had the perfect video and it spoke to me and it resonated with me and it changed my life, or I manifested that $1,000, or I got that dream house and this, that, and the other. And just like my content may be the guide or the answer or the manifestation that you are looking for, you all coming and engaging with me and watching my content and buying my programs and telling me your stories, you are my manifestation. So I really want you to understand how appreciative I am of you all being here with me. And I know that I have had times where I have been absent, and my father passed away last summer, the last day of July. So I went through a whole lot before coming back, and all of that was spiritually based. But without you all engaging with me on all of my platforms and still being a part of my coaching groups and my programs, like, you all made a huge difference in my life, and I really thank you guys for that. So let's get into today's topic, which is all about letting the fuck go. You gotta let shit go. How to be unattached, right? Like, I want shit, and where the fuck is my shit is kind of the energy and the attitude that we often have. And so, how do you manifest and let go? Let go means to not be attached to the outcome. So how are you manifesting and letting go of the manifestation? And I think I talked about this in another video, but it's really about when you start this process. A lot of people are like, fuck yeah, I'm manifesting. I'm about to manifest. I think one of my first videos, early videos, was like how I manifested 10K, or it was a big number for me at that time. So a lot of people were like, fuck yeah, I'm manifesting $10,000. I'm manifesting. And the reason that my course was not about manifesting 10,000, 20,000 or whatever was because that's not where a lot of people are. I said this a lot, but God, source, spirit, universe cannot deliver to you that which you do not think you deserve or is possible for you. So you have to, one, be looking to manifest something that you believe in. And it is good to start small, and it is safe to start small, and it is okay to start small. One of my new courses coming out, we start with $1. And I'd be like, I don't care. Start with $1. Now, most people, because they have some history in it, we start with $1, and this is a new course, so I don't know, depending on, this is not April yet, so depending on when this, check and see when this aired, right? So the course may be there, and if it is, it'll probably be on a link on this video. If not, it's coming in April. But we start with $1, and the people that have run the test of my course will be like, I was trying to manifest $1, but I got 40. Beautiful. But it doesn't mean that tomorrow you go to 41. Tomorrow we manifest $2 fucking. Oh, I wanted to manifest $2 and I got 60. That's great. And we continue to build, right? Now we do jump. once you get past 5. But, and we go to 10, right? And then like that. But we continue to jump, and it takes you through to $1,000. And what this is, but there's new people who are new to this will be like, I tried to manifest $1 and it didn't happen. It didn't happen for 3 or 4 days. Why? Because they're in and out of the energy, because they're figuring it out, because, you know, they're new at it. But the biggest key in with all of my students in this course, older courses, coaching, is not needing it, not wanting it. When you really don't give a fuck about it showing up, it shows up. Because you don't need it. Yes, I want that. And then you go about your life, right? So my example to you is like, Amazon. That's my favorite example. When you are manifesting, you need to treat it like you bought something off of Amazon. Okay, so I want 5 grand. I want it in 2 weeks. And that shit's coming. It's coming, right? When you order from Amazon, you don't be like, oh my God, I just paid this shit and I ordered it on Amazon, and do you think it's gonna show up? Like, what if they don't send it? Do they even have it? Like, oh, I didn't get an email. I'm not sure it's coming. You don't. You fucking order that shit, you go about your life, and then the shit shows up at your door. Like, I get shit every day, and then some days I'm like, oh, what the fuck is this? Because I know when I order it, it's gonna show up. I stop thinking about it. Like, it's like, I need what? Place the order. Oh, we need Whole Foods. And then it's like, oh, we're out doing other stuff with our lives, and the kids will call me like, yo, we just got a Whole Foods delivery. It's like, oh fuck, I forgot I ordered that from Amazon. Because you just know that you ordered it, you paid for it, which was the work, right? And it's coming, and you go on with your life. Sometimes I order it and then I happen to be in the store and go, oh, look, there it is, and I grab it, and then I realize, I have 2, and then I realize later I needed 2, because things just line up, because I really, really believe that it's gonna happen, it's gonna come. And if it hasn't come yet, there's some shit I need to do. It's for my benefit. Something better is coming, right? Like, so the thought process around it not showing up on the exact date, I used to keep a journal, like when I first started, like on everything I was trying to manifest. And I typically would manifest within 3 to 5 days of what I wanted. But it allowed me to see certain things came really, really fast. Things that I had work around, things that I had issues with, things that I had to really work through and believe. Oh, I've got a grandbaby downstairs that is learning how to crawl, and she is so agitated when she can't move. So I hope that sound is not bad in the background, because she's not even on this floor. But I could see the things that I had the most issues around took longer, right? One of the areas of my life, which was relationships, I didn't really put a lot of work into that, right? I wanted it, but like, right? I didn't even talk about it. I just now started teaching on relationships in the coffee chats, but I didn't do the work around it. So I would say I wanted this type of situation, and it just wouldn't come. And then I would do work on myself, which would make room for this relationship that I wanted, and stuff similar would show up. But because I still hadn't worked through the idea of relationships, it never stuck, right? So until I started working through the idea and my belief system behind the relationship, although I held space for a relationship and people could pop up and, you know, or that person that I really wanted would just be like, I'm here. And then it would be like, no, that's just not, I don't really, I thought I wanted it, but I don't think I want that, you know? So, but that was my own shit. And so that's the only time it doesn't show up. That's really the only time it's not going to show up for you. It's the only time it's not going to show up for you. You have some shit around that to do. Okay, so you have to have the desire, set the intention, and then let it go. Okay? And when you let it go, it will come. If it does not come when you think it's going to come, it means that something better is coming. You have some work that you need to do, that you need to investigate, something of that nature. That's it, sweethearts. It's coming. Otherwise, it'll be there. I promise you, if you do the work, it will show up. I love you guys. I will see you in the next video.